You know, I seen this thing on TV the other day, and I like, man, that sounds really good. It's the Queso Burger at Sonic. But guess what? I've yet to go by Sonic and try one. So I looked on YouTube and I seen, okay, this is how they make it. They got some green chilies on there, and they got the hatch green chilies. They got the sauteed onions on there. You know, they got the queso cheese, look like another little slice of cheese on there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to make that, but we're gonna make it crazy pop style here at the Crazy Acres. But we're gonna do it one better. We're gonna put bacon on it. You know why? Because bacon makes everything better. Prove me wrong, bacon makes everything better. So we're gonna throw some bacon up on this queso burger on top of that. So before we show you how we're gonna do these things and show you what we're gonna cook with, be sure to look down there below, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, leave us a comment, ring that bell notification. Don't miss out on anything we're doing. Now, if you're already subscribed, hey, thank you so much. We really appreciate you being here. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. What we're doing here is just, hey, we're showing you how to have fun cooking. That's what we do here. We have fun cooking. So get all that done, and while you're down there, there's a playlist, a recipe playlist. If you don't see what you're looking for here, keep on looking. There may be something down in that playlist. So you get all that done, and we're going to fire this thing up. Let's get this thing fired up. Let's go here. 3 burners. As normal, I know I do that a lot, but hey, there's a method to the madness. We like to keep a cool side here. We're going to turn everything down to about a medium. If we need to adjust, we will. To make our queso burgers, here's what we got. We got some pretty thick burger here. Now this ain't nothing. This ain't no Sonic burger, baby. This is a little of almost a half-pound patty. We got 2 of those. We have 4 strips of thick cut bacon. Got some Monterey Colby Jack cheese here. We got some onions we're going to saute up. And there's our hatch green chilies back here. And there's our queso. We're going to warm that up on the Blackstone also. We're going to toast these buns up with some butter. And got a little salt and pepper. It's going to be just that simple. All right, y'all. We got the smoke signals. That means it's time to cook. So let's get the bacon on here first. Oh, there's that sizzle. The beautiful, beautiful sizzle. I still think Amazon and Google ought to patent that sound. Sounds of the sizzle. So what we're going to do is get this bacon cooking, kind of get them crisp up a little bit, take that bacon grease, and cook our onions and stuff in that bacon grease. And we're going to get this bacon going now. All right, now while this bacon's cooking, our queso is cold, y'all. Now remember, we left this side here off. What we're gonna do is just kind of put it right here and just kind of let the residual heat over here kind of heat it up. If we need to move it over, we will. We'll see. All right, y'all. We gotta get this bacon up flip. So what you gotta do is you gotta get your comb, a couple test clicks. Oh, baby. Yeah, buddy, look at that bacon there. Uh-oh. This one here won't twist up on me a little bit. Yeah. Bacon's looking beautiful. Okay, y'all, bacon's done. We're gonna take it, just slide it over here and keep it warm. Like so. Stir our queso. I remember we did turn the burners down to low. Now let's get these onions on here. We did cook up just a little bit. Get these to going. Ooh, that smell. Ooh, that smell. Maybe I should sit cooking. Get them to going. Now these, you're not really wanting to cook them down a whole lot. Just kind of caramelize them just a little bit. Let's get our burgers on here. All right, got the burgers on here now. Now we're just gonna hit a little salt and a little pepper. Nothing fancy, y'all, nothing fancy. Sometimes basic is good. Stir our onions up a little bit. Get these burgers being done. Might even throw these chilies on here just a little bit, kind of just char them up just a little bit. Get them all in this burger. It's gonna be some good eating. We're gonna toast these buns. Oh man. Let's get these burgers a flip real quick. Look at that. Ooh, baby. All right, these burgers are about done. We're gonna throw these green chilies on here and kind of just char them up just a little bit, kind of, and get them going. Then we're gonna build these burgers. Get these on here. I don't think I'm gonna do all of them. Just kind of get them going just a quick second here. Oh yeah. Man, that queso and these green chilies and these onions, bacon, it's gonna be on point. Let's get these burgers a flip again. Now I have been flipping them, kind of keeping them going on both sides. Don't want them to burn, but I mean, look at that beautiful sear on these burgers, y'all. Let's take these chilies up, put them over here in a bowl. All right, y'all, we're gonna get the butter out. We're gonna butter up the griddle. On a cold night, what's better than a good toasty bun? Let's get our buns on here. The burgers are about done. We'll give them one more good flip. Oh yeah, look at that. Toast our buns. All right, y'all, while these things are toasting up, let's get our cheese on here. Like that. Check toast on these buns. Oh, they're looking good. Let's go ahead and get them over here. Yeah, buddy. Get the cheese melted down and we're gonna build. All right, y'all. These things are ready. We gotta build them, put them together, and you gotta try them. So let's turn all our heat off here. Grab our cutting board. Now, I am not going with any kind of mustard, mayonnaise, ketchup, none of that. I ain't putting none of that on here. And I ain't gonna drag the thing through the garden other than some onions. So no strolling through the garden and no condiments. Let's go ahead and get our burgers on here. Let's put that one back here. Oh yeah, I'm liking where this is going already. Now, I think we need to put some bacon on here. Let's put this bacon on here. Oh yeah, good, thick bacon. Look at that. Let's put some of these chilies on here now. Man, look at them chilies. Look at them now. Get them all on here. Kids are back here waiting to eat. All right, let's get some of these onions on here now. Oh man, what y'all think about these burgers? Yeah, there you go. All right, now, for the star of the show, y'all. Queso on here, look at that. I don't know about you, but I like a lot of lime. There we go. Top them off. There you go. Y'all, look at that beautiful mess we done made up on this Blackstone. This is looking good. The queso cheese dripping off of there. I mean, look at that queso cheese on that bacon, y'all. Oh man, yeah. Y'all check this out. You know when things are done, guess who shows up? Cold out here, ain't it? Well, y'all can see our breath. It's getting cold out here. We got some good hot queso burgers to try. So Junior here wants to cut them open. So let's see what we can do here. Big burgers make a mess when you cut them. You got it, bud? Show them that big, beautiful. All right, go ahead and cut the other one too. We gotta have four. We gotta have four of them. We gotta try it out. Let's pass them around here. Michael, there you go, buddy. Hold on a second. Bryson, try that one out, bud. Yep, be fine. All right. Now, before we dig into these, well, Bryson's already digging. Is it good, buddy? Yep. Okay. Man, I tell you what, I don't know if you can get something as good as Sonic. Yeah, I kind of hope you don't, because if it's better than Crazy Pops, I'm in trouble. You already dig in? Let's try it out. Mm. Oh, yeah. That is spot on to me. How about you? Yeah. You still eating? Still eating. You know, if the kids keep on eating, that means it must be good. If they don't like something, they're going to put it down and run from it. They ain't running. So be sure to try these out in our style. Let us know what you think. If you got a different twist on them you might do, let us know down below in the comments. So you get all that done and all the comments and stuff, and subscribe and like and ring bell notifications and all that good stuff. Ain't that right? Ain't that right, y'all? Well, we're going to finish these burgers. See you next time.